Hurricane Katrina struck on a Monday. So 1 week later, things have settled at least to the point where you found many of your people, you have a sense of where you are, you realize you're not going home soon. Some friends were wise to rent 2 houses in Baton Rouge. And so they decided that they would gather all the people we knew and we would have a red beans and rice dinner. That was an act of faith in ourselves, an act of faith in our city, and a reaffirmation of the strength and importance of our culture. But gathering then to share red beans and rice with other people from New Orleans was kind of like having communion in church. It's a reconnection of you with the community and with something more powerful than you as an individual. Ain't that many other places in this world, let alone in this country, when one dish can have so much meaning.